Welcome to the Harvey channel. Today I'll show you how to edit photos in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first open gallery, it's right here, then select the photo you want to edit, and then click on this pen here. Now you can do a bunch of things with the photo. Let's first crop it. You can also rotate it. You can also rotate it here. You can change the perspective. I'll just go to this section. We can apply filters here. Here we can adjust brightness, contrast and things like that. In this section we can add text, we can draw and also add stickers. And in this section you can have a bunch of different options. Once you're done, just press save. Press save. And here it is, our edited photo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Harvey channel for more videos. Leave a like and a comment. And goodbye.